Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button and join this family because what subscription is free. And my OGs, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always watching my video. So guys, in today's video, actually I'm here to answer one common question I always get. I don't know. Oh my god, this is just a frequently asked question on this my channel. I see it on comment section. They asked me why I decided to teach Igbo language on YouTube. Okay, basically this question is very tricky because I don't know how to answer it in particular, why I decided to teach Igbo language on this channel. Maybe because I'm an Igbo girl married to an Igbo man. I think that is enough reason for wanting to teach Igbo on this channel, right? And also, I just feel if I know how to speak Igbo and most people find it difficult to speak Igbo, why don't I just open up a YouTube channel and start shooting a video and teaching people very easy way to learn how to speak Igbo. And that is just it. I like to teach people, I like to coach people, I like to put people accordingly if I'm opportune. So I just feel I'm this kind of person that likes to teach people. I'm this kind of person that likes to make people learn, that likes to make people understand. Yes. Are you going to ask me if I have a degree in Igbo language? No, right? I have a degree in economics and I have a master's in human resources. Yes, I not do Igbo language, the graduate study. No, I didn't. But I know how to speak Igbo enough to teach you guys how to speak Igbo. I don't know if I'm making sense. I know how to speak Igbo enough to teach you guys how to speak Igbo. I started speaking Igbo since I was little. Yes, I'm from this family. Yes, my mom works. Yeah, my mom made it when I would say it's so responsibility to teach us Igbo. My mom just made it that we speak Igbo in the house because we still have some people that are Nigerians. They live in Nigeria and they don't even speak Igbo, and they live in the eastern part of Nigeria. Let me just remove the west. Maybe Lagos, they live in Lagos, and most people in Lagos speak Yoruba, right? That is why they don't learn how to speak it. Let's leave that one by the side. Eastern part of Nigeria, where everybody 98% speaks Igbo, but they still speak only English in their house, and their father is Igbo, their mother is Igbo, but they decide to speak English in their house. I don't know why. This is best known to them, but for me, I don't think there's any reason that can accomplish you're in Igbo speaking environment. 98% of people living in that environment speaks Igbo, right? But you decide to be speaking English to your family. I don't know what is in their mind. I don't know why. So in my house we speak Igbo. In my house we speak Igbo language because that is our dialect. So my friends too, we speak Igbo too. They know how to speak English as well, but we speak Igbo as well. So that is basically just it. I don't feel learning how to speak Igbo or being an Igbo girl or speaking your dialect or learning how to speak your dialect does not prevent you from being that ajibo or that tished up or that asa you feel like you want to be. Doesn't prevent you from, it doesn't basically prevent you from anything. But most people think if my family speaks only English, then it means we are ajibota. I don't understand. The ajibota I know is when it comes to dialect you speak it, when it comes to English you speak it. Do you understand? That's kind of ajibota I concur to. So I'm very happy to have you guys. I'm very happy to have I think we're over 300 subscribers right now. I'm very happy to have over 300 subscribers who just love what I'm doing and who just are here to support me and who just are here to learn language as well. And see, the thing is that when I see your comments on the comment section, like when I see when you write those comments, like it gladdens my heart. I'm like, I'm actually accomplishing what I like to accomplish. Yes, like some people will say, please, I want to start up a YouTube channel. Can you give us meanwhile I have another. Some people say, I want to start up a YouTube channel, I want to do this. But my advice to them whenever they tell me they want to start up a new YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel is not my first YouTube channel, right? This is just a YouTube channel where I decided to teach Igbo language as being my language, right? When they say they want to start up a YouTube channel, I'm like, first, if you're starting up a YouTube channel, just make sure YouTube is what you want to do. I don't know if you're making sense. Yes, YouTube is a platform where you can earn revenue, right? But make sure YouTube is something you want to do, because at this point, like, okay, see, I see so many contents creators. I see some comments where they say like the video I did that I'm sad. Yeah, that video was just basically that I'm putting out work and people watch my videos. I see the analytics of people that watch my video, but yet they're not subscribed because YouTube sensing people that watch your video. Do you understand? Like sensing these people are subscribed to your channel, 98% are not subscribed to your channel and they're watching your videos, and you actually see that the graph of people that are watching your videos but are not subscribed to your channel are actually high. Do you understand? So, but I see those things, I still keep going, I still keep editing, I still keep doing this, and you thinking editing is easy. It's not easy. All those texts I put in there takes me hours to put those texts plus my kids, so it's not just easy. It's not easy, but the thing is you have to like what you're doing before you can continue doing that. I don't know if I'm making sense. You have to just love being a person that creates content, being a person that loves to teach people before you can actually enjoy and actually do that with selflessness, just like I'm doing. I'm actually doing it with selflessness. Yes, I can post videos. I can post about 5 videos in a week and I just get 3 subscribers. I'm like, I keep going because I just enjoy what I'm doing. And even though we're just 300 subscribers, and even though the requirement is 1,000 subscribers, but these 300 subscribers are subscribed to me without me doing sub for sub or asking people to subscribe to me. These are the people that just love me and they're subscribed to me. Sorry guys, let's take off. Sorry guys. These are people that just love me and they subscribe to me. Do you understand? So that's just it basically. I teach Igbo language on this channel because I enjoy to teach Igbo language, because I'm an Igbo person, because I want to teach people who don't know how to speak Igbo, because I enjoy to speak my dialect, because that is just it. So please, can you guys stop asking me why I am teaching Igbo language on YouTube channel, why I chose to teach Igbo language on YouTube channel. I chose to teach it because okay guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.